What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can tell by the title, or I'm pretty sure you clicked on this video because you read the title, seen the thumbnail, and seen that I was doing an unboxing of my Louis Vuitton bag. But first, before we get into the unboxing, I want to show you guys some other things that I got for Christmas this year. I really enjoyed my gifts, so I'm going to show you guys my favorites out of like everything. Of course, I got gift cards, sweaters, you know, the whole little every Christmas you get the same type of item type thing. But first off, yeah, let's just go ahead and get into the items that I got. And the first item that I got was this JBL portable speaker. Look at it. Next item, and if you know me, you know I love some good smelling perfume. Ladies and gentlemen, and this here is YSL Black Opium. This is one of my favorite perfumes, along with the Chanel. I think it's pronounced Eau Franche. I don't know. It's the little green circle bottle. Well, the green perfume that's in the clear circle bottle. It come in like the green and pink. I like the green one the best. But this is what it looks like, and it comes with a this is like a little lotion, and then of course I got the big bottle. So yes, I love YSL Black Opium. The next gift that I received was this tripod here, and of course we're like, okay, a tripod, but ladies and gentlemen, we have a little remote. Okay, this is perfect. This is perfect for selfies. So if I want to take a selfie, I can just prop my little tripod up, boom, 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 be from afar, like, and it takes my picture. Like, who wouldn't love these? You would. So go order you one. Alright. Also, you guys, I got these bomb looking cute Pumas. Look at this shoe. This is the Cali sneaker, or the Cali suede Puma sneaker. It's a nude suede. We got the little gold accents. Look at the Puma and the gold, and then this peachy orange color. The inside got the little peachy orange color. Y'all, this shoe, it caught my eye. I'm like, yep, I have to have that shoe. I have to have it. It's so cute. I got these in the 7.5. By the way, I still shop in the kids too. These particular shoe is women's 7.5. But if you wear like a 7.5, sis, we can still shop for the kids, okay? 6 and kids, that's what you wear. Alright, so that's I got, and I'm gonna insert a clip in it because this box is like too big. Look, see, I'm ripping it open. But I got a vacuum, y'all. And y'all probably like, what? A vacuum? Well, look, let me tell you the story about the vacuum. First off, I've been in this apartment for over a year now, and majority, like 90% of my apartment is hardwood floors, but my bedroom is carpet, and my hair be shedding here and there, be a little lint everywhere, and I'm like, I need a vacuum. So I would go to my mom's house, grab her vacuum. I had her vacuum for like a month. She like, yay, bring my vacuum back home. So I had to take it home, and she surprised me with one for Christmas. So this here is the Dirt Devil. And yeah, it looked like it do a lot of things. So that's perfect for me. Alright guys, the moment you have been waiting for, the reason why you clicked on this video is because I got a Louis Vuitton bag. get into how beautiful this bag is. Like, what? This bag is gorgeous, okay? Just the bag. Like, I'm not getting rid of the bag. I'm gonna put it up in my closet. I already have another Louis Vuitton bag. That one is gonna be in the other closet, and then this one's gonna be in my walk-in closet because it's just like, pow! I'm here. I'm making a statement, okay? Anyways, y'all. So this is a, okay, no, I thought it was upside down. This is the box. This is the box, and of course, they want you to be like, oh, unwrap me. So they put a white ribbon, and then the ribbon has Louis Vuitton and gold on it. So cute. But let me tell y'all the story behind this bag before I open it real quick. I have been wanting this bag. I don't even know what I was gonna say. I have been wanting this bag for a minute now. Like, I always wanted the Neverfull bag. I got that last Christmas. And then I seen this bag, I'm like, I have to have it. I can use it for multiple things. And it's just gonna look good with me holding it. Like, so pretty, okay? And I'm gonna show y'all my reaction to this because look, my mom and dad tricked me. They bought me this bag and they went to Chicago. And they were at I knew they were at the Louis Vuitton store, but my dad, he's like all talk. He's just like, I'm gonna go somewhere, and then I'm like, okay, you're not gonna buy nothing. And this time, y'all, he ain't buying not one. He bought two. Me and my mom one. It's crazy. So that is the little story behind this bag and how I got it. Like, they tricked me. Wow, dad. Wow, mom. But anyways, this is the box. I'm gonna keep rambling, and then you can just pop this up, open it up, and it comes in this little pouch here. Comes in this little pouch. It says Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton. And y'all ready? Here is the bag. Oh, cute little music. Oh, this, ladies and gentlemen, is the toiletry pouch 19. I believe that's what they call it. But yes, y'all, like, how freaking cute is this bag? Like, it's not that big, and you're probably like, okay, this little bit bag. No. Okay, it's not that big, but it can be used for as a purse. It can be used for a toiletry bag, which is why it's called a toiletry bag, of course. It can be used as a makeup bag, like whatever. It can be used for anything. And it has a little gold zipper here. The inside is the nude color. It's not any like extra compartments in the inside. It's just wide open. They just put the little QR barcode here, and then this little like Louis Vuitton coated fabric, cowhide leather trim, man-made lining. So that's that. But y'all, yeah, like, I have been wearing this bag. I've been seeing it. This particular bag goes with like a lot of outfits. You can dress it up, dress it down. Like, this piece right here, if you have like a little cheap outfit on, and I'm not saying like you can be bad and bougie on a budget. That's neat, okay? Like, you can have an outfit that you don't spend a whole bunch of money on, but have a banging accessory, your hair done, your makeup popping, some nice shoes, and boom, you're looking like $1 million, sis. $1 million. Get into the bag. Yeah, I'll be cracking myself up. But yes, so that is the bag. Again, this is the toiletry pouch number 19. And yeah, it can be used for like whatever you want it to be used for. I'm gonna be using it as both a toiletry, and a purse. So yeah, that is my Louis Vuitton bag. Alright guys, so that wraps up today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If so, be sure to hit that subscribe button, join the Glam Mode Squad. Y'all, 2020 is on the way. New videos, new content is about to be approaching. So make sure you are hitting that subscribe button, hitting that bell link, and yeah, join me or follow me on Instagram at glammo_chick. Follow my design